Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the new YROBOT PowrKnee exoskeleton. Let's open up the box and see how it works. This is a beta version of the PowrKnee. Instructions, extra batteries, another piece of accessories. Here's the device itself. So let's go test this out and see how it works and how it looks. If you ever wished you could hike longer, climb steep hills without pain, or just move with less strain on your knees, then this might be the game changer that you've been waiting for. Meet the YROBOT PowrKnee, an intelligent exoskeleton designed to support your movements, reduce fatigue, and power all your adventures. Let's break down what makes this wearable tech so impressive. It's built with intelligent motion support, so it's not just a brace, it's an AI-powered exoskeleton that actively assists your knees as you move. So whether you're hiking uphill, navigating rocky trails, or just walking around town, the PowrKnee reduces pressure on your joints and helps conserve energy. It has been tested using medical-grade COSMED K5 system, so users can be assured and experience a significant reduction in energy during activities. That means you can go farther, feel less tired, and recover faster. The PowrKnee is also equipped with a 1,520 watt motor, giving it the right amount of torque that makes steep climbs feel effortless. And the straps are adjustable with thick padding to make them even more comfortable to use, especially for longer sessions. And the two batteries can easily be charged back up with the provided charging base that can be used with any USB-C cable for more convenience. And it's also a game changer for people with knee injuries or mobility challenges. And the device adapts to your movements in real time, using smart modes to adjust support based on terrain and activity. So whether you're on gravel, slopes, or stairs, it responds smartly with no manual input. It's honestly such a cool feeling that you really have to experience in person to fully grasp how groundbreaking it is. And despite all of the tech, it's surprisingly user-friendly. The design is sleek and lightweight, making it easy to wear under or over clothing. And you can adjust the support levels on the plus and minus buttons. And you can choose between 4 different smart modes, from auto mode, workout mode, relaxed mode, and free mode. And if you're an outdoor enthusiast or someone recovering from an injury who wants to stay active, then this device could be a serious upgrade. It's also ideal for older adults looking to maintain mobility and independence without putting extra strain on their joints. So in short, the YROBOT PowrKnee is a game changer for helping to get people more active. It blends science, engineering, and real-world practicality to help you move smarter, longer, and with more confidence. I honestly think a device like this is the future for doing things like lifting heavy objects or long-distance activities. So yeah, if you're curious about the YROBOT PowrKnee or want to see it in action, then you can check it out in the link below. See you.